Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to track steps on iPhone without Apple Watch. If you are using an iPhone and now you want to track steps on your iPhone without any Apple Watch, so let's see how can you do this. For this you must have to search for Health app, which is pre-installed on your phone. If you want to get it on your home screen, you just have to go for search and search for Health and you'll get the app. You just have to tap on app to open it, and here just scroll down and you will get steps in the print section. Just select it and here you will get all the information about your steps. You can get the daily, weekly, monthly, 6 month and yearly history of your steps. So that's how you can track steps on your iPhone without any Apple Watch. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.